Discover the GEWA Tonwolf, the perfect solution for quiet practice and performance on your cello. Crafted from chrome-plated metal, this ambidextrous mute ensures a secure fit and smooth sound reduction, making it ideal for musicians who need to practice late at night or perform quietly during rehearsals. Its compact size of 2 centimeters in length, 6 centimeters in height, and 4 centimeters in width makes it easy to carry anywhere. Elevate your playing experience with the GEWA Tonwolf. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the VGEBY Cello Tailpiece, the perfect upgrade for your 4/4 cello. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it is anti-corrosion, durable, and easy to install. The adjustable tailgut with brass screws helps you fine-tune your instrument effortlessly. Lightweight yet sturdy, it enhances your cello sound without adding extra weight. Plus, with 180-day unconditional return policy and dedicated customer support, your satisfaction guaranteed. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to enhance your cello sound and performance? The Alomejor cello bridge is crafted from top-grade maple wood, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion for long-lasting use. Its exquisite workmanship and smooth finish provide a comfortable feel, while it helps improve sound projection and clarity. Easy to install and adjust, this cello bridge is the perfect accessory for any cellist seeking better sound quality and reliable performance. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Are you a cellist looking for reliable instrument stability? The SUNGOOYUE Cello Mat is your perfect solution, designed with a secure non-slip surface. It keeps your cello firmly in place during passionate performances and practice sessions. Made from durable metal and resilient plastic, it offers lasting stability while protecting your floor from marks and dents. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry anywhere. Rehearsal rooms, stages, or on tour, you'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.